Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Echo. I'm Mariam, and today we're going on an adventure. Earth.
Adventure? Oh no. Should I be scared or excited?
A little bit of both, John. We're talking about travel English, the language you need when you explore the world.
Ah, that sounds fun. So we're helping our listeners travel confidently in English, right?
Exactly. From airports to hotels, and from ordering food to making friends abroad.
Okay, I've got my passport, my headphones, and snacks.
Snacks are the most important part of any trip.
Totally agree. So, Moriam, where are we traveling today?
Let's start at the airport, the place where every journey begins.
Oh, yes, the long lines, the security checks, and the smell of coffee everywhere.
That's right. So our first phrase is, where is the check-in counter?
Perfect. Say it again slowly for our learners.
Sure. Where is the check-in counter?
Great. You can use it when you arrive at the airport and don't know where to drop your luggage.
Exactly. And when you want to be polite, you can add excuse me at the beginning. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter? That sounds polite and natural, right?
Yes, politeness always makes travel smoother. People are kinder when you speak nicely.
So true. Next, once you find the counter, you can say, I'd like to check in for my flight.
Oh, I remember. And they'll ask for your passport and ticket.
Exactly, John. Then you'll hear, do you have any luggage?
Yes, I do, and it's always heavier than I expect.
That's every traveler's story. By the way, do you overpack?
Me? Never. Okay, maybe just a little bit.
I knew it. So learners, to overpack means to take more things than you need.
And it happens to everyone, especially me.
After check-in, we go through security check.
Right. That's when they scan your bags and you have to take off your shoes sometimes.
Yes, and if you're polite and calm, it's always faster.
So what's the next useful phrase, Mariam?
You can ask, where is gate number 12? Or when will boarding start?
That's helpful, especially when you're running late, which happens to me a lot.
Mariam, I think you just need better time management.
True, Mariam. Maybe you should teach me that in episode 8.
Deal, John. But for now, let's focus on travel English, not your bad timing.
Okay, fair enough. So, what's next after boarding?
Once you're on the plane, you can say to the flight attendant, excuse me, where is seat 22A?
That's perfect. And if someone is sitting in your seat, what should you say, Mariam?
You can say politely, I'm sorry, I think this is my seat.
Okay, and hope they move quickly.
Be nice, John. Traveling is all about patience and kindness.
True. So, what if I want a drink?
Just say, could I have some water, please? Or may I have a cup of coffee?
Oh, that sounds polite and easy to remember.
Exactly. Always use could or may to sound respectful.
Got it. And maybe smile a little. That helps too.
Yes, a smile is the best travel companion.
Mariam, you always sound so calm and organized when you travel.
That's because I make a checklist before every trip.
Oh, maybe you can share that checklist with our listeners too.
Great idea. We'll do that after we land. So now let's imagine we've just landed in another country. Excited, John?
Super excited. New place, new people, new food.
Exactly. The first thing you'll usually do is go through immigration.
Right, that's where officers check your passport and visa.
Yes, and when they ask, what's the purpose of your visit? You can answer politely.
Like, I'm here on vacation or I'm here for business.
Perfect examples. Just remember to smile and stay calm.
I always smile, but sometimes my passport photo doesn't agree with me.
Oh, that happens to everyone, John. Nobody likes their passport photo.
So true. Once we pass immigration, it's time to collect our luggage, right?
Exactly. You can ask an airport staff member, where is the baggage claim area?
Or if your bag doesn't come out, excuse me, I can't find my suitcase.
Yes, that's very useful. Always start with excuse me. It makes a big difference.
Got it. So polite English is not just about grammar, it's about attitude too.
Beautifully said, John. I think our listeners will travel more confidently now.
And maybe pack fewer things next time. Lesson learned.
I'll believe that when I see it. So now that we've got our luggage, it's time to head to the hotel.
Right. And this is where we need a taxi or maybe a ride app.
Exactly. You can say to the driver, please take me to the Grand City Hotel.
Or if you're not sure, how much will it cost to go to the city center?
Perfect. Always ask before you start the ride. It saves you from surprises later.
Lesson learned.
Oh no, John. That's why we're here, to help others avoid those mistakes.
True. Okay, we've reached the hotel. What do we say next?
You can say at the reception, hello, I have a reservation under the name John.
That sounds polite and professional.
Yes. And if they can't find your booking, say, could you please check again?
And stay calm even if you're tired. That's the hardest part.
Yes, patience is your best travel partner.
Once you get the room key, you can say, thank you very much.
And don't forget a friendly smile. It makes a great first impression.
Smiles. I think by now everyone's ready to travel confidently in English.
Absolutely, but we're not done yet. Next, we'll learn hotel conversations. So, John, imagine we've just entered our hotel room. What's the first thing you do?
Jump on the bed to check how soft it is.
John, always the same.
Just making sure it's comfortable. But okay, what's the real first phrase?
You can call the reception and say, hello, could I get an extra towel, please?
That's simple. And if the air conditioner isn't working, say, the AC isn't working properly.
Exactly. You can also say, could someone please come to check it?
Nice. What if I want to order food?
Easy. Just pick up the phone and say, hello, I'd like to order room service.
I love that phrase, especially when I'm hungry.
I knew it. You always think about food first.
Guilty as charged. Okay, what about checking out the next morning?
You can say, I'd like to check out, please. And don't forget, thank you for your service.
That's such a nice way to end a stay. Polite and kind.
Exactly. Traveling with good manners makes every trip better.
Mariel, I think our listeners are ready to fly anywhere in the world now.
Yes, with confidence and a smile.
And maybe a snack bag, just in case.
Of course, John. Snacks are always part of your English journey. Okay, John, now let's imagine we're out exploring the city.
Finally, my favorite part, sightseeing and street food.
I knew it. But let's also teach some English for these situations.
Sure. What's the first phrase travelers should know?
You can ask, excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the museum?
That's perfect when you're lost or pretending to be lost just to talk to locals.
That's actually a smart way to practice English, John.
See? Learning English can be fun and adventurous.
Yes, and another helpful phrase is, how far is it from here?
Or is it within walking distance?
Perfect, John. And when you're tired, you can say, I think I need a short break.
I say that every 5 minutes.
You definitely need more travel stamina.
True, but I never get tired of discovering new places.
That's the spirit. Traveling is not just about places. It's about learning and connecting.
Beautifully said, Mariam. You always make English sound so warm and friendly.
Thank you, John. That's what the English Echo is all about. Learning with joy. So, John, after exploring and shopping, it's time to eat.
Finally, I was waiting for the food part.
I knew that. Let's teach some English for restaurants.
Great idea. So, what's the first phrase when you enter a restaurant?
You can say, table for two, please.
Simple and polite. I like it.
Then the waiter might ask, "Would you like to see the menu?"
And we can reply, yes, please. Always with a smile, of course.
Yes, smiles make everything smoother.
After checking the menu, I'd say, I'd like the grilled chicken with rice.
Perfect. You can also use "I'll have" for ordering food.
So, I'll have the pasta. That sounds natural.
Exactly. And when you're not sure what to choose, you can ask, "What do you recommend?"
That's my favorite line. I always use it abroad.
Because you trust the chef more than yourself.
Absolutely. They always know best.
And when you finish your meal, you can say, "Could I have the bill, please?"
Great. So easy to remember and so polite.
Exactly. And if you really enjoyed the meal, say, "Everything was delicious. Thank you." Saying thank you is always the best way to end a meal, John.
True. Kind words and good manners never go out of style.
Exactly. And sometimes, if the service was great, you can also leave a tip.
Right. You can ask, is service included? Or should I leave a tip?
Perfect. Always polite and clear.
You know, Mariam, traveling teaches us not just English, but kindness too.
That's so true, John. Communication is about respect as much as words.
Beautifully said. And speaking of travel, what's your dream destination?
Oh, I'd love to visit Japan. The culture, the politeness, the cherry blossoms.
Oh, yes. And I'd love to see Italy, pizza, art, and history.
You just want pizza, John.
Maybe. But that's cultural learning too, right?
Absolutely. Food connects people more than any language.
Then I'm already fluent in food English.
I'll give you an A+ for that, John.
Finally, a grade I'm proud of.
So, John, when you travel, what's the first thing you usually say when you meet new people?
I always start with a friendly, "Hi, how are you?" It works everywhere.
That's true. Simple greetings go a long way. You can also say, "Nice to meet you."
Nodding. And don't forget, "Where are you from?" is a great conversation starter.
Exactly. Travelers love sharing stories about their countries.
And it helps practice English naturally.
You know what else works? A smile. Smiling is a universal language.
I agree. Even if you forget a word, a smile saves you.
That's so true. And when you don't understand something, what do you say?
Oh, I say, "Sorry, could you please repeat that?" Or, "Can you speak a little slower?"
Perfect phrases. They're polite and show you're trying to learn.
Smiling. Exactly. People appreciate it when you make an effort.
That's why I always tell learners, confidence is more important than perfection.
Grinning. Oh, then I'm the most confident traveler ever.
I can tell, John. But hey, that's the spirit we all need when traveling.
Cheerfully, let's pack confidence, smiles, and some good English phrases.
Smiling. Deal. That's the best luggage anyone can carry. So, John, tell me, what's the funniest travel experience you've ever had?
Oh, once in Italy, I tried to order pizza, but I accidentally asked for 12 pizzas.
12 pizzas? What did they say?
The waiter smiled and said, "Are you feeding an army, sir?"
That's hilarious. You must have been so embarrassed.
Totally, but I laughed too, and you know what? Everyone around started laughing with me.
That's the beauty of travel. Mistakes turn into memories.
Exactly, and language mistakes are often the funniest ones.
True. Once I said I'm cold in Spain, but I mixed the words and said I'm a fridge.
Oh, you didn't. That's amazing.
Everyone looked at me like I was crazy.
Well, at least you were cool, Mariam.
Oh, stop it, John. You're too funny.
But see, humor connects people, even across languages.
Exactly. When you laugh, people remember you with kindness.
So, lesson of the day. Don't fear mistakes. Just smile, laugh, and learn.
Beautifully said, John. That's the real spirit of the English Echo.
John, do you think learning travel English really makes trips easier?
Absolutely. It's like having a key that opens every door. Airports, hotels, and hearts.
Nicely said. Even small phrases can make a big difference.
Like, excuse me, where is the bus stop? Or how much is this ticket? Simple but powerful.
And could you please help me? That one always works.
Yes, people respect politeness. A smile and a please can solve almost anything.
Exactly. Once I was lost in Paris, but when I politely asked for help, 3 people guided me together.
That's Paris for you, full of charm and kindness.
And croissants. Don't forget the croissants.
Oh yes, you can't learn travel English on an empty stomach.
True. Maybe we should do a food English episode next.
Snap my fingers, great idea. English for food lovers, coming soon.
Our audience would love that. We could teach how to order, compliment, and enjoy.
And maybe how not to order 12 pizzas like me.
Oh, yes, definitely that part too.
Perfect. So next stop, good food, good English, and great laughs.
So, John, imagine you just arrived at the airport. What's the first thing you say?
I'd probably say, excuse me, where is the check-in counter for British Airways?
Great. That's a polite and useful phrase. And when you reach there, you can say, I'd like to check in, please.
Yes, and if you have luggage, you can add, I have 1 suitcase.
Exactly. And don't forget, always keep your passport and ticket ready.
Oh, I once searched for my passport for 10 minutes. It was in my pocket the whole time.
Oh, John, that's so you. Traveler's classic mistake.
Yeah, lesson learned, never panic before you check your pockets.
And once you're done, you can ask, what time does boarding start?
Good one. Or if you're hungry, is there a cafe near Gate 5?
Perfect. You're sounding like a pro traveler now.
Well, traveling with you makes learning fun.
That's what the English Echo is all about, learning through laughter and life.
Couldn't have said it better.
All right, John, we've landed safely and reached our hotel. Time to check in.
Finally, I can't wait to lie down. What should I say at the reception?
You can start with, hello, I have a reservation under the name John.
Could you please confirm my booking, right?
Exactly. And if you need help, you can say, can someone help me with my luggage, please?
Oh, yes. After all that flying, I definitely need help with my bags.
I can imagine. And don't forget to ask, what time is breakfast served? That's important.
Food again. You never miss that part, Mariam.
Of course not. Travelers must eat well to explore well.
So now we've learned airport English, travel phrases, and hotel conversations.
Yes, and I hope everyone watching is learning and smiling along with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, friends, don't forget to support the English Echo.
Yes, please. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.
Your support really helps us bring more fun and educational episodes for you.
And your lovely comments truly motivate us, so don't forget to leave one below.
Tell us which part you loved the most, the airport scene or Mariam's I'm a fridge story.
Oh, don't remind me. But yes, comment your favorite moments. We read every one.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep listening to the English Echo.
Bye, everyone. See you in episode 8 with more adventures and laughter ahead.
Take care and keep spreading positivity.